As it is rightly said that the one who can conquer their mind, the mind becomes the biggest of friend. And the one who fails to do so, the mind becomes the biggest of enemy. Hello everyone, my name is Ritul Hirve. So basically, when we speak about the topic of effect of corona on mental health, people in normal situations always forget about mental health. Obviously, you might have also experienced that in this period of lockdown, we tend to focus so much on our physical health. We make certain diet plans, we do exercise, we try to bring back our shape which we always wanted, but we really forget what our mind goes through in this situation. In this situation of corona, it is very normal to feel overwhelmed, it is very normal to feel anxious, it is very normal to feel stressed out. This is because this is affecting us so much because we have been adapted to certain rituals, to certain routines. We are so much adapted to socializing with people that we really forget to spend time with our own selves. We are not getting proper sunlight, we are not having a proper physical activity. So because of this, our mind is going through a lot of changes. Seeing so much news, seeing so much social media, it is really frustrating. And everywhere the cases are just increasing drastically. So we are feeling too much stressed about this. The anxiety rates have really gone high in this period of lockdown. The desire of going out, the desire of socializing have always been coming up in this period. This is because we really don't see what is going inside us, and we tend to focus more on what is going in other people's life. So guys, I would really say that this is the time when we can really change ourselves, when we can analyze what we are, and we can do certain things which we always wanted to do. But we all know that we want to do these things, but we are actually doing it, we are not. So, like for example, what happens actually, we go to a grocery store, we come back home, and we just keep washing our hands, we don't touch our face, and there is a certain trigger of things that are coming in our mind. Have we washed our hands clearly? Can coronavirus really affect me? Is my immune system really strong? These are the thoughts which will continuously come in your mind. So it is very normal that they come in your mind. Feeling anxious, feeling stressed out, feeling the desire to go out is very normal. The thing which you have to really do is that you have to control the emotions which are coming inside you. Like it is always said that there are always two sides of a coin, a positive side and a negative side. We as human beings, we have the tendency to always look at the negative side. But why do we not look at the positive side more? The time which we always wanted, the time which we always desired of having is what we are getting right now. We can learn a new skill, we can learn to cook, we can learn to exercise, we can learn yoga. There are innumerable things which we can do according to everyone's own interest. And guys, we are very selfish. We always think about ourselves. But have you really ever just gave a thought? The people who have anxiety issues, the people who are in depression, the people who have OCD, which is obsessive compulsive disorder, they tend to feel these emotions. They go through this every day. We should consider ourselves very lucky that we really don't have such issues. So it is normal to have certain trigger of emotions inside you. So I think nothing can bring you more peace than you yourself can. Utilize your time. Whatever is going through in your mind, write it down on a piece of paper. Try to overcome them one at a time, and you will surely see that you can make the most of your time, because limitations exist only in our head. And if we remove that limitations, a great idea of imaginations can come and we can do something very uncertain. So guys, I hope you all are at home. You guys stay safe and enjoy the time. Thank you.